Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in series of Kotlin programming language. Today, we will see the concepts of constructor, which is very, very important for any programming language. And it is important for Kotlin language programmers as well. So in Kotlin, we have that constructors as a primary constructor. And if you want to make some more constructor, there will be a concept of secondary constructor, but it is directly or indirectly that associated with the primary constructor. Here in this example that we have seen that function main, and here we have this array as a string, which is an arguments, and we are taking this person. So person is a class name. This is that we have two these variables over here, first name and this age integer of type, and it's a string. So we have to just assign the value over here, this under this. So first name is a CSS Sprints and age is 15. So print these two values using this person1 and dot first name and person1 dot age. So we have to create an instance of that person class and just invoke that one and access these variables, which is first name and this is age. So once we run this program, we will have that outcomes as CSS Sprints and 15. So as we all know that Control Shift F10 is one of the key that we use for running these programs, and as well as to change the font of that is also we have Control Shift S to make that settings available for font variations in a size and the type of font we want to use on the editor. So here the constructor is important and usually at the time of when we say that creation of instance of a class constructor having a wonderful significance of using in most of these object-oriented programming languages. Next thing is, once we say about the constructor, Kotlin has, as I said, you is a type of constructor, which is a primary constructor, and the other one is the secondary constructor. So we use constructor as a keyword to make a secondary constructor. One Kotlin class can have one primary constructor and one or more secondary constructors. So Java constructor is one of that initializes the member variables, and in Kotlin the primary constructor initializes that the class, whereas the secondary constructor helps to do the same. So including along with including some of the additional logic to the program. So this is important. Now the primary constructor that can be declared as a header at the time of the class header we use as shown in the example. So class person, here we have a val and first name, that type of string, and this is this age, which is having so integer. So this is one of that we can say these are the values. So now we just try to run this program. So run example _7.kt, which is extension for Kotlin. Now here we see that this is the result, that CSS Sprints and age 15. So this is one of that way of creating that primary constructor of a class. Now when we consider the next one is having this class human, and we have a concept of secondary constructor. So this one is the way that we can use that constructor using constructor as this name and age as a variable along with the masses. So we have to just print these using this concatenation operator, and we just making this instance of this human. So we have this first name is CSS Sprints, and then we have age 25, and finally this is given in this welcome to the example of secondary constructor, and your age is human.age. So with the help of this instance, it will print that age, which is 25. So once you will run this program, you will get this CSS Sprints and this message along with your age is 25. So hi is one of that masses is going to be concatenate. So here hi, and then the first name CSS Sprints, and then welcome to the example of secondary constructor, your age is -25. That will be the outcome. And to make that secondary constructor, you have to use this constructor, and along with this number of variables you are passing through this. So these are the arguments, and this name comma age, and finally enclose these braces. So just run this program and see the outcome. example.this, so Control Shift F10. Let us see the outcome. So we have this outcome. Yes. Hi, CSS friends, to the example of secondary constructor, your age is -25. So this is the way that we just use constructor in Kotlin. Thank you very much being with me in this session. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel. And I just humble request you that please watch the previous videos as well, and try to just go through practicing all these three here in these for Kotlin programming. I'm using IntelliJ, JetBrains IDE, which is very, very important. And it's a new set of experience for everyone who is working in the field of Android development. So thank you very much. If you like these, please subscribe my channel and follow me, and please send your suggestions so that I may improve day by day. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.